What's up, guys? Echo here once again. Alright, I'll first start by saying Happy New Month and Happy New Week. Alright, so on my screen today we actually have gold. So I just want to give a little recap before we jump right into the analysis for the week or for today. Alright, so on my chart you can see on my screen you can see gold obviously. So what am I expecting and what happened in the market? So since it's a new month, let's jump right into the monthly candle. I'll have to take off all these guys. Oh, let me use this other guy. Because there's a clean chart. Let me clear everything. Alright, so on my screen right now we have, you guys can see that the market just left us with a pin bar. Alright, closed and left us with a pin bar, and obviously right now you can see that price went down to this point and is already going back up. So what do I expect? Okay, so for me, here's a place I feel like the market is going to fill up. So it will fill up this, so let me call it this. So the market is going to fill up this guy. Now we've seen this. So if you guys look at it very well, you'd see that we have overbought. And I've always said this thing, you can't just keep running without resting. So the market has just been running without major rest. So I want to see price relax a little bit. So now we've spotted out this on the monthly. Now we're saying that we're bullish on the monthly, because you can't just be doing just high. You saw at this point we had the high, low, we had high. So we wait for a low or a retracement before we continue buying. So now we've acknowledged that. Let's go down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that okay, price is already retracing a little bit. So, but it's already coming. Okay, I'm interested in seeing price actually take out liquidity around here. On the other chart, I actually said something that I was expecting to see price. That was on this chart. I said I was expecting to see price take out liquidity around here. For those of you that have not watched the video, is on YouTube. And yeah, for those of you watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel. So I said I was expecting to see price take out this liquidity here, and which we did. Although I lost money here because price, knowing how my stop loss used to be, it was very tight and it took me out and continued selling. But yeah, I'll wait for better opportunity before I continue. So let's go back to the other chart. Or should I just use this chart? Okay, let's just use this chart because I don't want to keep switching from this broker to the other broker. So on the daily, we can see that price already swept and is retracing back, right? So for me, I'm interested in seeing price take out liquidity. I'm interested in seeing price take out liquidity around this area, and also slightly around this area too. So most likely we might see price just do this, right? We might just see price sweep out after take out liquidity here also. So now if price should do this after this retracement, right, take out this guy, we might just, and we see price stall around here, most likely we might just see price just keep buying. But then if price refuses to stall around here, we might see price take out liquidity to around 3,500 area. Reason why I'm saying 3,500 area, because price kept buying at this point, right? It gave us this, it didn't come back. There was no major pullback to this point. So most likely price might get back down to around 3,500 area region, right around here, then keep buying. Now knowing fully well that liquidity around this area here has been taken, liquidity around here, people that were buying has been taken, and people that also kept their break evens here, liquidity will be taken, right? So now, how am I going to tackle this current market like this? I actually got into the market pretty late. I didn't take any trade, but I'm actually on my chart pretty late, and that's because I had to rest. So for me right now, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going to happen. So all these things, like I said, you can't just keep running without a retracement. On the monthly, we've seen that we're bullish. On the weekly, we've seen that we're obviously bullish. So now the daily, you can see from Thursday we've been selling. I believe Thursday, right? Okay, yeah, from Thursday, this is it. Friday, throughout the weekend, then today being Monday, we sold deeply and we're currently having a retracement. So I want to see price just still come up a little bit, right? Just come up 50% of this area, then boom, right? Sell off. Yes, 50% of this area. So even if you use your fib, you would see that it's around a 50% area, right? This is the 50%. So even if we see price just do this, come up into this area and boom, it's a good one. So we are not going to actually rush the market. We'll take our time, right? We don't chase the market. You guys know my principle. We don't chase the market. We wait for the market to present itself or opportunity for us to take advantage of. So now, if we see an opportunity to take this market a buy, fine, we'll jump on it and scoop little profit. We'll take little profit from it. So overall, short-term bullish and long-term bearish. Reason for saying long-term bearish is because I still want to see price sweep out liquidity around here. I still want to see price sweep out liquidity around here. You guys can see that there's an imbalance here and a gap, right? There's an imbalance and a gap. So price did not get to that point. Price didn't get to this point where we have an imbalance and a gap, right? So you guys can obviously see the gap here. So I'm expecting to see price go back up a little bit, right? Go back up, come back here, take out liquidity, and if price stalls around this point, meaning we will keep buying. Now another thing that can move this market drastically is probably if US decides to attack Israel or Iraq. Now if any of all these things happens, meaning you would see gold buy drastically. So for now, we'll just have to chill and see if we'll have an opportunity to jump on this trade. Let's see what other pair do I have on my radar? Okay, so for this guy, it's obviously I've been bearish. I missed this opportunity. Let me see if I have. Let me see. Okay, this guy didn't give us a retracement. Okay, this guy didn't give us a good opportunity. I didn't even analyze that. So what pair? Let me see. What pair? So
each truck na 2 million na.
So obviously we will just have to chill a little bit. But yeah, so if let's just see how gold just plays out, right? Let's see how gold plays out. If there's any opportunity in the market, I'll have to just send it out to you people on my Telegram channel. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, do well to this is my Telegram channel here. Alright, this is my Telegram channel here, and if you're not on the Telegram channel, just do well to just join the Telegram channel where I'll post out things. You guys can see the, the channel is not empty. The channel is not empty. Obviously, we've been posting things back to back, updates and all, right? Updates and all, back to back. I don't just post off on like everything. I just constantly keep posting. You guys can see it, right? Activities, different activities keep popping and showing up. So you guys can join the Telegram channel and also subscribe to this YouTube channel where I'll be posting regularly by God's grace. And yeah, we're in the month of February, a new month, so we'll actually kickstart our mentorship very soon. So if you're interested in joining the mentorship, it's gonna be for 3 months. I'm not among those mentors that would want to teach you monthly, because I feel like you can't really learn what will make you profitable and practice in just 1 month. So I like our curriculum to be around 3 months, right? To be around 3 months. So do well to join the wait list where the pricing would be set, and everything is going to, I mean, you guys won't be in the dark. So that being said, I have to end this video and jump into other things. As you already know, guys, Echo is active.